Welcome to the ultimate upgrade for your home improvement and professional projects. Today we're diving into the incredible 16.5 foot telescopic H-shaped ladder with a stabilizer bar. The perfect blend of safety, portability, and versatility. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or just tackling those out-of-reach tasks, this ladder is your new go-to tool. Join us as we put this ladder to the test. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more must-have gear reviews. Alright, time to see the ladder in action. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. This is the ladder. Look at this. It's amazing. It has a handle here to unlock the top part. This one, it has this each lock for each step. In here, a strap to store it. And this is the ladder, and it has this bar to put it on the bottom. I'm gonna install it in a little bit. The screws, they are included, the manual, and the ladder. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. So now let's test it out and let's see how it works. Okay, let's start with the size. When the ladder is fully collapsed, it's 37 inch tall by 27 inch wide. And when you open the ladder into the A shape, is 8 feet tall. And when you fully open the ladder, is 16.5 feet tall. And another great reason to get this ladder is because with this one I can replace this long ladder and also this 7-foot A-shaped ladder. And this ladder weighs 37 pounds. The telescopic design is great, smooth and easy, with integrated lock pins for safety feature. And for the load capacity, it supports up to 375 pounds. The first test is to see if I can reach the rain gutters. As you can see, I can reach, very easy to clean them. And the second test is to see if I can reach the top of the roof with my hand. And yes, I can do it with the fully extended ladder. And the last test is to see if it fits in my car that is very small. And as you can see, yes, it fits. Thanks for joining me as we explore the telescopic ladder from VEVOR. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, managing professional tasks, or just need a reliable solution, this ladder has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any update. And if you have questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Until the next time, stay safe, stay creative, and keep climbing to new heights. God bless you and see you on the next video. Okay guys, and it's time for the giveaway. Okay, we're gonna give away this camera that is over here. Okay, and the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to put a comment in this video, and you have to like this video. This is only for the USA, and the winner, we're gonna announce the winner on January 18. Okay, good luck guys, thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.